Although the essence of combat, which is defeating the enemy, has remained the same since times immemorial, the ways to achieve that have changed greatly. On today's battlefields, because battles are fought from far greater distances than ever before, one crucial aspect is having access to functional hardware that can give soldiers precision and accuracy. Those are two attributes of modern warfare that are crucial to the success of artillery fires or air and missile defense, but they're not always easily attainable, especially when the enemy is making use of GPS jammers or other technologies meant to confuse troops. There are, naturally, solutions meant to be jam and spoof resistant, and one of the newest on the market is the one called Mounted Assured Positioning, Navigation and Timing Generation 2. Developed by defense contractor Collins Aerospace, the technology just got approval to enter full-rate production. MAPS Gen 2 for short, the technology is designed to provide soldiers and their vehicles with accurate information about positioning, navigation and timing that should make artillery fire, air, and missile defense, but also ship-to-shore logistics easier to complete, even in GPS-contested environments. The tech comprises a navigation system called NavHub 100 and a multi-sensor antenna named MSAS 100. It taps into data it gets from sensors and mixes that with info beamed down from satellites to work its magic. The NavHub is tasked with generating and distributing what the military calls assured position, navigation and timing information, and it does so using a single device that serves all the systems on board a vehicle. The antenna, on the other hand, is an anti-jam piece of technology that should keep operating even in the most severe GPS-challenged environments. These two pieces of hardware are accompanied by something Collins Aerospace calls a smart, two-line replaceable unit system. This allows the MAPS Gen 2 to easily replace the existing navigation system installed on military vehicles, but also gives the new technology access to easy-to-perform upgrades. The defense contractor says its production lines will start rolling and thousands of these MAPS units will be produced. They will go into the vehicles operated by the U.S. Army and U.S. Marines Corps, be them crewed or uncrewed, but also on military watercraft. We're not told precisely what those vehicles are, but given the scope of this effort, it's likely we're talking about most of them. Collins also has a short video that better describes what the MAPS Gen 2 is supposed to do and how it's supposed to work. But be warned that the company does not reveal the full details of the technology, something that's perfectly understandable given its military nature and the purposes it was created for.